My name is Sashrika. Our team members are
Bhavika,
Arush, Sharanya. All of us are aware of the fact that the best way to restore rainwater is through rainwater harvesting. But of the best ways through which rainwater is being utilized is through aquaphonics. Aquaphonics is the combination of aquaculture and aeroponics. In aquaphonics, less water is used for the crops. Research has shown that the aquaphonic gardens use 1/10 of the water you would use for the soil gardens. Since we are growing vegetables in 100% organically, it helps us to improve our immune system, which is the need of the hour. Over to Arush.
Materials used for this project are organophil, pH sensors, DC motors. Over to Gaurav.
rooftop rainwater harvesting is the technique through which rainwater is captured from roof catchments and stored in reservoirs. Harvested rainwater is stored in subsurfaces and groundwater reservoir by adapting artificial recharge techniques to meet the household needs through storage in tanks. Rainwater is collected from the roof-like surface and redirected to a tank, deep pit, aquifer or a reservoir with percolation so that it seeps down and restores the groundwater. Dew and fog can also be collected with nets or other tools. The amount of rain falling on the roof is channelized through guttering and pipe system to storage tank or recharge pit, and it is directed to the aquarium. Over to Sharanya.
In the aquarium, we feed fishes. After feeding, the fish discharges the waste out and the waste goes through the water to the plants. This discharge of waste contains ammonia as a byproduct in it. Then, the ammonia is broken down by the bacteria present in the roots of the plants. Now, the water will have impurities and contain a lot of ammonia which could be dangerous for the fishes. So, before the water flows into the aquarium, it is carried to a filtration tank which filters the water, and from that tank it can be carried to the aquarium. pH is also a very important part of aquaculture. LCD sensor checks the pH level of the water to check if it is neutral or not. A neutral pH from 6.8 to 7.2 is good for the aquaponic garden. It is very important to check the pH level every day to see the pH level of the water. It is one of the main reasons fish or plants die, leading to garden failure. So, aquaphonics represents the relationship between water, aquatic life, bacteria, nutrient dynamics and plants which grow together in waterways all over the world. Over to Arush.
Recommendations. It includes zero wastage of water and promotes to aquaculture and aeroponics. The government should encourage the farmers for such activities which not only benefits them but also conserves the water. Recommendations for people. People should exhibit such social responsibilities in conservation of water and come up with such activities which not only conserve the water but also economically valuable. Thank you.
After putting the pH sensor into the polluted water, you can see the pH value of it. Now, after putting the pH sensor into the filtered water, you can see the value of the pH is changing. Thank you.
Okay.